The Proud Peacock and the Wise Owl. Once upon a time, in a beautiful forest, there lived a peacock named Percy. Percy was the most beautiful bird in the forest. His feathers shimmered with every color of the rainbow, and he loved to show them off. Every day, Percy would strut around the pond, admiring his reflection in the water. "Look at me," he would say to the other animals. "No one is as beautiful as I am. I am the most special bird in the forest." The other animals would roll their eyes. They were tired of Percy's bragging, but Percy didn't care. He was too proud to notice. One day, Oliver the owl, the wisest animal in the forest, flew down to talk to Percy. "Percy," Oliver said, "you are indeed beautiful, but pride can be dangerous. Remember, pride goes before destruction and a haughty spirit before a fall." Percy laughed. "Oh, Oliver, you are just jealous because you're too old and boring. I don't need your advice. I'm perfect just the way I am." Oliver sighed and flew away, shaking his head. He knew Percy would have to learn the hard way. That afternoon, dark clouds gathered in the sky. A fierce storm was coming. The animals hurried to find shelter. "Percy," called a little rabbit, "come with us. The storm is too dangerous." But Percy just laughed. "I'm not afraid of a little storm. My feathers are too beautiful to hide. Besides, I'm the strongest bird in the forest." The wind grew stronger and the rain poured down. The other animals huddled safely in their homes, but Percy stayed by the pond, showing off his feathers to no one. Suddenly, a powerful gust of wind blew through the forest. Percy tried to hold his ground, but the wind was too strong. It lifted him off his feet and blew him straight into the muddy pond. When the storm finally passed, Percy climbed out of the pond. His beautiful feathers were soaked and covered in mud. He looked nothing like the proud peacock he had been earlier. The other animals came out of their shelters and saw Percy. They felt bad for him, but they also knew he had learned an important lesson. Oliver flew down to Percy and said, "Pride goes before destruction, Percy. A haughty spirit leads to a fall. It's important to be humble and listen to wise advice." Percy hung his head. "You were right, Oliver. I was too proud, and now I have learned my lesson. From now on, I'll be humble and kind." The other animals forgave Percy and helped him clean his feathers. Percy realized that being kind and humble was more important than being most beautiful bird in the forest. And from that day on, Percy was a changed peacock. He still had beautiful feathers, but he no longer boasted about them. Instead, he used his beauty to bring joy to others. The animals of the forest lived happily together, remembering the lesson Percy had learned. Pride goes before destruction and a haughty spirit before a fall. Bye-bye.